Hello, so this video is for my end of the winter semester project. On screen is the prototype that I started with for this project, and this whole project was about to be meshing two of the classes I've taken, which is web development and UX and UI design. Starting out in the CS world, I didn't know what I wanted to do, and the farther and farther I got along, the more that MSU brought uh, content to students, such as web development and UI development and robotics and other things along that line. So I thought it would be a good idea to mesh these two classes together because they coincide very well together, and I applied a lot of the things that I learned from both classes to this project. So on screen is the original prototype I started with for this project. I didn't even label this project, I didn't give it a name or anything like that. But this is what the front page was supposed to look like. And I changed my mind throughout the project about what a lot of the stuff was going to look like because I thought it was important for it to look a little bit different. And I looked at how it actually portrayed itself on the web. And I thought it was important to bring those changes here. So, like this, the arts page I think is one of the ones, and the home page look very different. The blog page hasn't been created yet and will be created at a later date. I ran out of time and also ran into some issues with using some of the APIs I wanted to. The web host that I picked it doesn't really work well with, so I need to talk to their support team and figure out what APIs I can use. And the contact page looks different than what was put here, so that's exciting. So let's dive into the actual website. The actual website has an actual link. I called it Scarlet Digital because that's another name I go by, is the name of Scarlet. And I wanted to incorporate that into my work. Plus, it seemed to fit a lot better than the original name I came up with. So when you first click into the URL, this is the home page. It's just a brief synopsis about who I am, what I want to do, and how to contact me, and what this website is for. So then it continues on about my skill list that I thought was important and the stuff that I've learned to do over the years of working in computer science and the art world. So then if we go over to the CS pages, it has several links to the projects that I've done in the past, such as this is the UX project right here, and then I have the advanced web development project here, and then I have another Unity coding project that I've done before that I thought was important to incorporate. And these also have their own videos or write-up papers to go along, so that way people can look at them and understand what all of this content is about and how it's important to me. And then the next page is all the artwork. This is all artwork that I've completed between now and 2018. Some of it's newer, and then I have some older stuff that I'm really attached to, but I picked both digital and physical media, and then I also put my commissions in there because I do have some commissions. This is not all of them, this is just one of them, and I didn't want to include all of them on this page, just because I need to figure out a better way to lay out this, because after putting it together, didn't actually like how it came out, but that is for future me problems. And then I put in some basic contact information about where you can apply for commissions and my basic email. And I hope that this website, turns out to be better, for other experiences than my own, and that it will accomplish the goals that I want, that I talked about in the first couple of write-ups, talking about what it meant to promote myself and how to apply my skills and to better myself in the field that I want to work in. Thank you for listening.